Good morning, my crafty companions. Today we've got an unboxing, so let's get on with it. There we are. These are just general haberdashery bits that we've sold out of and replaced, and there is one new item. Very exciting. In fact, it's so exciting, after I've shown you it here, I'm going to give it its very own video. All right then, so let's get on with it. So we get quite a bag full of stuff. The click clack is going to be busy today, putting price tickets on. But let's show you what came in. So we got some more designer buttons come in. Those nice little white ones. These little black ones, which are useful not only for buttons, but for doing eyes on teddies or little toys or whatever. Obviously toys for adults rather than toys for children. And these lovely little wooden daisies, aren't they fabulous? I can think of all sorts of craft uses for them. Very useful pins. So these are the Pony brand pins in either pearl or multicoloured. So we sell a lot of those because they are actually nice quality steel pins, but they're still a reasonable price. And this here, quilter's tape, which is like a very narrow masking tape. So that's useful for tracing out patterns on quilts, and so you can sew through it and then tear off the tape afterwards. People also use this if they like to do stenciling, or if they're model making, like if they're painting a little car or a train or a doll's house, they can use this as the masking tape for the project because it doesn't take up too much space. Moving on to some more things. So, talking of toys again, these are the extra long sewing needles. So you get 3 in there, 17 centimetres, 13 centimetres and almost 9 centimetres. So it says it's ideal for dolls, teddy bears and that sort of thing, or whenever you might need an extra long sewing needle. For instance, if you're doing upholstery and you need to pull buttons through to the back or something, so they're quite useful for that as well. And this here, sewing machine oil. So this is a nice quality oil. So sewing machines and general purpose, that's what that's for. And importantly, it's non-toxic and non-corrosive. So that's also useful, like if your scissors are getting a bit sticky, you just put a little drop on the join and that loosens it up. And I've also used this on my bike as well, like for the brake levers or something like that. This came in again. So we've got a couple of textiles here that came in. So the large rolls of felt, we've got some more colours of those. I know we were desperate for the white one. And also for this is muslin cheesecloth. So suitable for crafts and household use. And you see it's all wrapped up nicely. That means it's suitable for straining jam and that sort of thing, or steaming. So the features on the back, it says multi-purpose cloth for crafting, painting and staining, many culinary uses, baking and steaming, ideal for furniture cleaning, polishing and waxing. And there we go, 100% cotton muslin cloth. And in that packet you get 2 3/4 meters and it's almost 1 metre wide. Oh, little bit of tat. When I make a trade order, I always have a look at their clearance section. Look what came in. Can you see them? I'll put it nearer the camera lens. Aren't they lovely? Little crystal butterflies. So I had to get some of those, didn't I? You might have guessed. We've got some more of these in. These are the Millward dressmaking shears. So they're like proper scissors. I don't know if you can see there. So they've got nice handles. They've got the nice slightly curved blades, which makes cutting thick fabric or multi-layers of fabric, makes that easier. We've got several pairs of those in. It claims to cut up to 20 layers of fabric. My wrist wouldn't like that. I would probably do 4, but not that many. There we go. Ergonomic design for comfort grip and nice stainless steel blades. There we are. Now then, this gadget that came in, this is a new product. How about that? Do you remember having a cotton reel with nails in it when you was a kid? Posh version. So you can make all sorts of things there. There's the instructions on the back. And that's it, in picture of it in use. So this is called a Millward brand knitting mill. This is the product that's going to have its own video, because this is going to be fun, I think. All right then, so that is all the new products that came in this week at the Haberdashery, and I hope you enjoyed having a little look through them. I always like unpacking things, so it's quite a nice little activity to share with my crafty companions. So if you like this sort of video, please give it a thumbs up, because that lets YouTube know that it's quite interesting, and hopefully they'll promote it to more people. So there we go. I hope you have a wonderful crafty day, and bye bye from Marina at the Haberdashery.